Good afternoon, this is David. I'm out here in San Ynez today. Pressure washed some eaves on a house and cleaned the outside windows. It's a nice day out here. So what I tell the customers, a lot of times they'll call and they'll want the just underneath the eaves washed off, pressure washed, but I let them know that we got to spray down the whole house because we don't want the dirt from the top running down on the stucco or the wood. If it's dry, we want the dirty water to slide down on the wet water so nothing sticks to the paint or the stucco, so we don't get the tiger stripes. The customer understood that. The job went quite well. So anybody out in San Ynez, Solvang area, like to get your windows cleaned or your house pressure washed, give me a call. 805-878-1107. Serving the Central Coast since 1987. Have a great day.